good morning! Let's visit this beautiful 8 units houses in Angono, Rizal. It's located very near in Taytay Sports Complex. This is a duplex type house and has a lot area of 120 square meter and a floor area of 115 square meter. There, as you can see, our living area, and then yan po yung ating sink. And then, ito naman po is yung sa room sa ground floor. Ayan. Standard size po ang ating mga rooms. And then, yan po yung common CR sa ating ground floor. And then, yan po yung ating stairs going up. And then, sa taas naman, meron din siyang common CR. And then, another room sa second floor. And then, yan ang ating papuntang master's bedroom. Yan po yung ating master's bedroom. Ayan, po. And then, sa atin naman master's bedroom, meron po tayong walk-in closet na saktong-sakto lang din ang size. Ayan. And then, meron na din CR. Ayan. And then, yung ating additional features naman dito sa house is may solar panel na siya, top and range hood. And then, 4 channels na CCTV camera, and then LED pin light, and then tempered glass na po ang ating balcony and stair railings. Ayan. Ayan. Yan ang ating service area sa likod. Sa interested buyers po natin dyan na gusto din i-viewing yung site, please contact me at 0956-281-6473 or you can message me on my FB Messenger sa MJR Quixote. Thank you! Tara po, samahan nyo na po akong mag-view dito.